So guys, you can see interested parties are urged to apply at the earliest opportunity. Visa sponsorship is available for candidates outside the European countries. So for you to be eligible for this sponsorship opportunity, you must be outside the European country. Did you hear that? So if you're from Nigeria, you're from South Africa, Botswana, you're from Kenya, Ghana, wherever you are outside the European country, guys, this is an opportunity for you to move to Netherlands on visa sponsorship. You would also be able to get relocation allowance. This agency is giving out visa sponsorship to foreign nationals from different countries and in different sectors, enabling them to move to Netherlands for absolutely free. So guys, if you've been willing to move out of your country, Netherlands is a very fantastic country to consider, and this agency could make your relocation dream a reality in 2025. So guys, in this video I'm going to introduce you to this recruitment agency. They've been in this business for years, and obviously they've been able to help many foreign workers relocate abroad. A quick disclaimer, I'm not in any way affiliated to this recruitment agency, and more importantly, you are not supposed to pay anyone for job offer or visa sponsorship. It is meant to be absolutely free. This recruitment agency helps a lot of companies in different countries of the world to recruit foreign workers and offer them visa sponsorship to make the relocation journey absolutely smooth. Mind you, it is not all jobs on their portal that has visa sponsorship. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the process, how you can apply to take advantage of this opportunity to move to Netherlands with your family in 2025. So guys, before we dive in, please do well to give me a like. Share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to drop your comments and questions, and I'll try as much as possible to address them. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. This recruitment agency that I'm talking about is Skills Provisional International. They have location in different countries of the world. We are currently on their website. As you can see, there are various opportunities, there are different openings that are currently available. So what you're going to do is you're going to check for opportunities that have visa sponsorship in front of it. So as you can see, this particular opportunity has visa sponsorship available. So these are the kinds of opportunity you're going to apply to. So now let's explore this website together and see if we have more visa sponsorship openings. So coming down here, you can see this particular one. You can see the benefit here: travel allowance, personal development package, and relocation support. So for this opportunity as well, there is visa sponsorship. So let's keep checking. Vacancy: mechanical design engineer, Netherlands. You want to click on it to explore if it has visa sponsorship or not. So that's what you're going to do. But it's not all of it that has visa sponsorship opportunity. Like this particular one, field service engineer, Netherlands, does not have visa sponsorship. As you can see, we have developed strong relationships and alliances with many companies in the Netherlands, and why not, we satisfy manpower requirements where others struggle or are failed to do so. The sectors they commonly support includes the healthcare, construction, trade, engineering, education, electric vehicle manufacturing, renewable energy, oil and gas, and information technology. So they provide professional employment support to business throughout Netherlands. You can actually find opportunities for other countries apart from Netherlands, because they also recruit for companies in other countries of the world. So as you can see, Saudi Arabia, you can see Australia as well. In fact, this particular opening for Australia also has visa sponsorship, and you can see the salary, 76,000 Australian dollar. But for the purpose of today's video, we are focusing on Netherlands. So for this particular opportunity vacancy, robotic engineer, automation, Netherlands, let's click on view details. So guys, you can see interested parties are urged to apply at the earliest opportunity. Visa sponsorship is available for candidates outside the EU, outside the European country. So for you to be eligible for this sponsorship opportunity, you must be outside the European country. Did you hear that? So if you're from Nigeria, you're from South Africa, Botswana, Kenya, Ghana, wherever you are outside the European country, guys, this is an opportunity for you to move to Netherlands, Australia, and European countries on visa sponsorship. You can see there are benefits available: personal development budget, IT equipment, specialist tools, relocation allowance. So you would also be able to get relocation allowance for this amazing offer. So just go ahead to search for any of these opportunity that matches your qualification and experience, and make sure it has visa sponsorship. So when you find any of that, you are going to click on apply for this position, and it's going to redirect you to where you're going to attach your CV and fill out a form to get registered. So the first thing you're going to do is to sign up. You're going to fill this form: name, email, password. Then you're going to confirm your password, your telephone number. You must include your country code so that they can be able to reach out to you. So guys, don't forget to do that. You're going to select your nationality. Which country are you from? Make sure you are not within, your country is not within the EU. Then your location, you're going to put it here. Then here you're going to have to upload your CV, and you're going to insert your recognized skills and job titles here. For the particular opportunity you are applying to, please go through the roles, the requirement, and ensure that you have those skills and insert those skills. So after inserting the skills, you're just going to tick the boxes and click on submit, and they would get in touch with you once they find your application attractive. Guys, please do well to explore this website. Check if you can find any opportunity that best matches your qualification and experience, and fill out this form with due diligence. Make sure your CV is in the standard format and send your application. Then another thing is you can apply to more than a job opening. You can apply to as many job openings as possible. Once it matches your experience and qualification, please go ahead to apply to as many jobs as you can find on this website. Guys, I wish you the very best in your application. Till I see you in my next video.